thing about these panels is that they're easily removable. You just basically unclip them off the top, and once that's done, I can put them away, because should I open this garage door as is now, everything that I've done there will just break off. So again, kids, don't try the stuff that I do at home for yourself. And this is now part 5 or 6 of the video. But anyway, yeah, don't do these half-baked projects for yourselves. I just don't have a choice, because I'm running everything low budget, and not a whole lot of money is coming in, if any at all. Maybe like $5 or $10 per year off of CG Trader. That's about all I get. So you do what you do with what you can. And occasionally some investors do drop a few bucks, but I put everything straight into the YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.
Likey.